Good morning. I wanted to tell you happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. Today we actually are starting with the second half of Unit 1, which is 1.10. We're going to do quizzes this week. We're going to finish that up next week. I know that you're behind, so I wanted to just send you a message. Make sure you can go in, you can look at your class plan. You have those different ways to look at the plan so you can see what we did the previous weeks. So go ahead and take a look at your gradebook. It's all updated. I've added zeros. And you know we can't add comments real well anymore. But you can go back and you can see what we did here every day. We've done quizzes and we had a lab. Then you have your learning check and then of course your test. So make sure there's extra videos in there for the lab if you haven't gotten the lab done yet. And that's our typical cycle of you do the lab, watch the videos, submit it, then pops open the video to I go through the whole answer key, walk through it, check your answers, make corrections, resubmit, and then go in and do the submission quiz. So this is worth 20 points, that lab was. So make sure you follow those steps, and then, take your learning check. Make sure you check your feedback on those because I give feedback for all the answers. Make sure you watch the CC review, and then go ahead. There's a Quizlet that goes with it, and then take your mid-unit test. So now we're starting the second half of the unit. Sorry, it's clicking everywhere. Here we're talking about ideal gas law, which has to do with some of the previous stuff, and there's a lot of math in this unit. And then we talk about absolute zero, and then we get into Dalton's law, partial pressure, and Graham's diffusion. And we are having a CC on Thursday, and we're going to talk about these two concepts. So make sure you K-mail me. I sent you a K-mail. Let me know what questions you have, what plan you have. I want to make sure you don't get too far behind because you know how that snowballs pretty quickly. So you're doing great. Let me know what questions you have. I'm here to help.